With the ifolor Designer for Mac, you can create your own brilliant photo books on your computer. The free-to-use design software is the perfect tool to use to be able to keep your most cherished memories alive for years to come. You can download the free ifolor Designer for Mac with ease from the ifolor website or from the App Store and install it on your computer. After installation is complete, you're all set to get started with your first photo book project. Before you get started with your new photo book project, ask yourself, which photos do I want to use for my photo book? Our tip: before starting with the design, first gather together and sort your photos in a folder under Pictures on your Mac. This will enable you to access your favorite photos faster while designing your photo book. If you have already created a photo product from your pictures in the Photos application in the past, you can convert it into an ifolor photo product. You can then edit the product in ifolor Designer afterwards. After installation, run the ifolor Designer and start out designing your photo book by clicking in the upper left-hand corner on New Project. Did you know that you can use the ifolor Designer to create things other than photo books, such as photo calendars, photo gifts, as well as wall decorations? You can then click on the product category Photo Books and choose a suitable photo book format. You have the choice between Photo Book Premium Photo Paper, Photo Book Deluxe, Photo Book Soft, as well as the Photo Book Spiral. Once you've selected your photo book and its format, you can then choose between a matte or glossy finish for the cover as well as the inner pages. You can also change these settings at any time while designing your photo book. After clicking on Select, you can get started with the design of your photo book. Don't forget to name your photo book project. This will make it easier to find the right project when looking for it later. To do this, simply click on your project labeled as New Photo Book in the menu on the left-hand side and enter in the name of your choice. Use the practical ifolor Photo Book Assistant to create your own personalized photo book in just a few steps. The process is almost completely automated. You can start up the assistant when choosing your photo book format by checking the box next to Photo Project Assistant and then clicking on Select. Afterwards, you can choose a suitable design template. Here you'll have a wide selection of both neutral as well as colorful themes which you can use to design your photo book. Once you've selected a design template for your photo book, choose which images you would like to use on the left-hand side. Simply drag and drop your selected photos to the bar located at the top. The Project Assistant will then automatically fill in your photo book preview with your photos. Afterwards, choose the number of pages for your photo book and click on Complete Project. You'll then be able to continue editing your photo book in the Designer. If you would like to design your photo book without using the assistant, simply uncheck the corresponding box on the Overview page. In the menu under My Images, located on the left-hand side, you'll have constant access to your photos. Here you can also easily access pictures from photo folders you've already sorted, as well as access the Photos application. If you would like to insert photos from your Facebook profile, you can do this with ease by selecting this option under the menu heading Internet. Simply log into your account through the pop-up window and select the corresponding photos. Afterwards, simply drag and drop each photo onto the corresponding grey image placeholder where you'd like the photo to be placed. A small tip: photos you've already placed in your photo book are labelled with a small check mark in the image selection menu. In order to edit the photos you've already added, simply click on the corresponding photo in your photo book. You can use the blue frame around the photo to adjust the size. To do this, just click on the corner of the frame and drag it to your desired size. To rotate the photo, all you need to do is click on the small dot to the right of the image. Click and drag the dot up or down to rotate the photo in the corresponding direction. You can access further editing options by double-clicking on the photo. Here you can easily adjust the image section by using the scroll bar or click on the pencil symbol to make other edits. Here, besides adjusting your image's brightness, you can also adjust the contrast and colors, straighten the horizon, remove red eye, and add photo effects. Besides classic black and white filters, you'll also have neat retro effects to choose from. You'll also have the ability to edit your photos with a tilt shift effect. This interesting gradient effect looks especially impressive when used for landscape photos. Just give it a try for yourself. If you would like to remove a photo or image placeholder, simply click on the corresponding photo and press Delete on your keyboard. Once to delete the photo or twice to delete the photo and the placeholder. Besides adjusting and editing your photos, you can also adjust the layout of your photo book any way you like with just a few clicks. In the menu at the bottom, you'll find a drop-down menu where you can adjust the number of pages in your photo book at any time. Here you can also easily shift individual pages of your photo book. To do this, click on the corresponding page in the bar at the top and drag it to your desired destination. If, on the other hand, you would like to reposition image placeholders on a page of your photo book, you can do this with ease by clicking on the given placeholder and dragging it to where you'd like it. You can double-click on a text placeholder to open the text editor and type in your own text. In the text editor, you will have various options at your disposal. You can adjust the font style and size, as well as the alignment of the text. You can click on the pencil symbol to access even more options for editing your text. Here you can adjust the text color as well as the spacing between the lines. Similar to the image placeholders, you can also move text placeholders by dragging and dropping them in the desired location. If, on the other hand, you would like to remove a text placeholder, first click on the corresponding placeholder, then press Delete on your Mac's keyboard to delete the text placeholder as well as any text located there. Before ordering your personalized photo book from ifolor, first review your photo book by clicking on Preview. Here you will be shown your photo book just as it will appear after it is printed, bound and delivered to your home. Once you've reviewed your photo book in the preview, you can order your finished photo book. Simply click on In the shopping basket. The ifolor designer will then scan your photo book and point out errors to you, such as empty placeholders or problems with your text, and warn you about poor image quality. By clicking on Check Notes, you can view all of the errors and fix them. After successfully fixing any errors that may have appeared, you'll be led to your shopping basket. Here, you'll have the option of also ordering your photo book as a PDF ebook, as well as an attractive present box. By clicking on Order, the designer will lead you through the last steps to wrap up your order. To complete your order, enter your billing and delivery address and then choose your payment method in the next step. Only after this step will your data be transferred. Depending on the size of your photo book and your internet connection, this process may take a bit of time. Once the upload of your data is complete, you'll receive an email confirmation. Congratulations! In just a few days, you'll receive your self-created photo book at your doorstep. Enjoy your new photo book.